Hey, welcome back. We're almost done with lesson 1, but before we're done, we have to quickly address this phenomenon of payment apps that are becoming like super popular. So there are a ton of apps out there where you can send money directly from your phone to pretty much anyone who is on the same app. And all you need is a bank account and or a debit card and you're all set. But here is the biggest thing you may not be aware of. Once you send money using any of these apps, it's gone for good. Unless the other person chooses to refund you the money, you will not get your money back. Because the majority of these apps are what we call peer-to-peer apps, or P2P for short. And they work pretty much exactly like handing over cash. And to make matters worse, most of these apps are not even liable for the money that you sent to someone you didn't know, or if you actually sent it to the wrong person. Typically, they just deflect the responsibility to the financial institutions who actually hold and process your money. But financial institutions are becoming less and less inclined to help in these situations.
Well, that sucks.
So unless you know the person you're sending the money to very well, like they're a family member or a really good friend, please just stay away from using these apps because once you hit send, that money is no longer yours.
It's gone.
And don't get me wrong, they're super useful and easy to use. Like I personally use them all the time to like send money to my relatives, or if I need to pay back one of my friends because I left my wallet at home or something like that. But I never send money to someone I don't know in person. There are also a bunch of scams out there that you need to be aware of. Like some of them, you get offered a job, but then somehow you have to send them money back via one of these apps because they accidentally sent you too much money. There are also romance scams where you meet somebody online and you form a relationship with them and they even tell you that they love you eventually, although they have never really met you in person. And then one day they will tell you a tragic story.
Please, we really need your help. Our favorite dog... No. Our favorite ant has just tragically passed away and it's just wreaking havoc on our family and we need a little bit of money. No. We need a lot of money to pay for her funeral. Will you please help us and send?
And then they ask you for money because how dare you? I mean, you love them, right?
Yeah, right.
I mean, you name it. There are so many ways people can get away with taking your money with these apps because they know that it will be incredibly hard, if not impossible, for you to retrieve your money once you have sent it to them. Now, I don't mean to scare you. Like I said, these apps are great. I use them, but
we must be vigilant.
And speaking of being vigilant, having a checking account and a savings account and even storing money away on a CD, it's great. But unfortunately, there are bad people out there, as we just saw, that want to take advantage of your hard work and get access to your money when you let your guard down.
Never let your guard down.
So in the last video of this lesson, we will talk about how to protect yourself from fraud. Because after you have worked so hard to put yourself in a great financial position, you now have to protect your assets. And we're going to talk about how to do that next. See you there.